Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to share an article with you guys from this guy claiming his iPhone 10 battery blew up. Now, first I'm going to start with the forum. This is on the Mac Rumors forum. There's a thread for it. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to it, so if you guys want to read it, you can check it out for yourself. But this guy goes on to say that he doesn't say what his iPhone was doing. He just posted screenshots, which I have here, of his iPhone. Now you can see right here, this is the iPhone. Oops, sorry. This is the iPhone right here. This is the screen. You can see it's significantly damaged, shattered. We don't know whether it was shattered when the phone caught fire, slash blew up, or what. This is the back, also very shattered. Now between the iPhone 10, this is where the wireless charging coil is right here. And then there is metal under here, so I'm not really sure how, if the battery blew up or caught fire, how the back became so shattered. The guy is claiming that there was no damage to the phone whatsoever when this happened. It was just, I guess, sitting. He said Apple was being very hush-hush about it. But something just doesn't seem right in his pictures. As you can see here, there's not much glass on the floor. There's a few flakes here and there. But there's a large amount of glass missing from this area right here and on the bottom right here, and all the glass that we have is just that little piece right there, and then a little piece over on the left here. So we're missing a lot of glass, and in my opinion it looks like the phone was cracked or damaged beforehand, and I don't know exactly what he was doing with it that may have caused it to catch fire, but you can see the frame is separated right here, the front and back is separated. And normally when these batteries explode, I'm not really going to say explode, when they catch fire, they don't explode with much force. It's normally just a hiss and they shoot some flames rather than an explosion. He said it just started burning out of nowhere. And a lot of people on here are questioning what the phone was doing, if it was charging, what kind of charger he was using. If it was wirelessly charging, if it was dropped, everything like that. Like I said, he's claiming it was not damaged beforehand, which I'm just not seeing, which is why I'm making this video. I want to get your guys' opinion. Do you think this phone was damaged beforehand? As you can see here, there's a lot of soot and stuff from the battery on the floor. Now, in my opinion, that would only happen, sure, that could happen from heat and stuff like that, but that, to me, is only likely to happen if the phone is open beforehand and the battery catches fire. If the phone was sealed, and there was, part of the foam between that and the floor, I don't think we would be seeing all this right here on the floor. As you can see, there's some burn marks right here, not much up on the bottom or the top here, or the bottom or the top, just in the middle right here where the wireless charger is, because there's nothing between here and the phone. But there is metal right here, so even if the battery did catch fire, I don't know how this shattered the glass in such a manner. If he flung it off onto the floor, I would have thought we would see more broken glass on the floor. He's saying he didn't pick anything up before the pictures were taken. He said everything was too hot to touch. So not much on the floor for all the shattered glass. So do you guys think the phone was damaged beforehand? Do these pictures look consistent with a thermal event from a lithium-ion battery that would be used in an iPhone 10? Or do you guys think that something happened that this guy's not saying? So far he's saying he took it to the Apple store and they're being hush-hush about it. He's not seeking any legal action or anything like that, and he did not want to send his phone back for some reason to Apple for them to investigate, which is kind of weird to me. If my iPhone blew up or caught fire, I sure as hell would be sending it back to see what happened to it and get a replacement, especially if it was under warranty. But this guy doesn't seem to want to do all that, which is kind of weird to me. But what do you guys think? Do you think this iPhone just suddenly blew up, or do you think there's more to it? Do you think he was doing something? Do you think he dropped it? Do you think he was trying to open it and punctured the battery? Do you think this glass was already cracked? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm going to leave a link to this thread so you guys can check it out for yourself. And as always, this has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.